The Division of Humanities at Tougaloo College has merged its art and music programs to form a new department called the Department of Visual and Performing Arts. Students with an art concentration will fall under the visual aspect. Meanwhile, students with a music concentration will show off their talents under the performing arts aspect. The Dean of Humanities, Andrea Montgomery, says students' coursework and curriculum will remain the same. The merger only deals with the staff and administration under the music and art departments.
So what we have done is that we have put together these two departments, former departments, and made one of Department of Visual and Performing Arts. Now, what this means is that we still have the art faculty and we still have the music faculty. We still have the art curriculum and art majors, the Bachelor of Arts degree. We still have the music curriculum and the music faculty, the Bachelor of Arts degree in music. And of course, you know, we have art, and then we have art education and music education. So as far as the majors are concerned, there have been no changes. They still have their faculty, their courses, their curriculum, their advisees, their requirements, and the same thing within the department, within the area of music. Now, Mr. Primer was selected to serve as the department chair for the Department of Visual and Performing Arts. Other than that, there have been no changes. Now, what this will afford, Jane, this will afford the majors in those two areas to become more visible, active, doing what they do more in a productive way, and it's going to give the faculty an opportunity to regroup, strengthen their program, and do recruitment for both of their major areas. So what we expect from this merger, actually, Shane, is growth and productivity, and it gives both of the faculties an opportunity under this one umbrella to experience that. Now, frankly, I'm really excited about the possibilities. Not only is it going to afford a better opportunity for recruitment, but like I say, to build the programs as they grow, have grown, and will grow, to build a stronger program with a deeper foundation, and to come out better and stronger.
Music professor Jesse Primer has been named the department chair for the Department of Visual and Performing Arts. This is Andrew Odom for the Harambe News Network reporting.